This video is a review of Nathan's Famous Pretzel Dog. Nathan's Famous has been around since 1916. The hot dog was prepared by the soft pretzel method. The hot dog has a great spicy beef taste. It was tender with a great texture. The pretzel bun came out soft, maybe slightly doughy. It has a strong pretzel taste. You get both the taste of the hot dog and of the pretzel. Both have a strong flavor. The combination works well, but the tastes are separate. Made the pretzel dog a second time using the soft pretzel cooking instructions. Added mustard to the top of the pretzel dog. The pretzel was soft. The taste of the pretzel seemed less noticeable with the addition of the mustard. The mustard does add flavor to the pretzel dog. The dominant taste was the great tasting beef hot dog. The pretzel dog with mustard was delicious. The pretzel dog was also made using the cooking instructions for a crisp pretzel. After microwaving the pretzel dog, it was baked for 4 minutes. The pretzel comes out more like a regular bun. The crust is mainly soft with the outer edges crisp. The beefy taste of the hot dog is still there. Overall, very tasty. Made a second crisp pretzel dog but topped it with mustard. The pretzel maintained its softness and was not crisp after baking for 4 minutes. The roll has less of a pretzel taste and more of a regular bun taste. The hot dog had a delicious beef taste. The mustard used has a strong vinegary taste. Each component can be tasted. They act like 3 separate tastes. A great tasting hot dog. The Nathan's Famous pretzel dogs are delicious. You get the great beef taste from the hot dog. The pretzel acts like a separate taste. The way the pretzel is cooked affects the taste. The soft pretzel has a strong pretzel flavor while the crisp is more like the flavor of a regular bun. But, no matter how you cook the pretzel dog, the net result is very tasty.